Good morning, Clearbrook, North Dallas, coming to you from Argyle, Texas. Getting ready to let go of Mclaren 720S. This one is a full front, doors, rockers. Underneath the doors, on this outer skin, or the 720S, is 12 mil thick. It's actually 11.5, but 12 mil thick is what we call it. PPF. On the outer skin, same thing again. Coming back here to this air intake underneath. We got 2 layers as well there. And then coming around the back, we used Fine Labs Heel Light ceramic coating to keep that paint looking good back here. It wasn't a full wrap. The only thing not wrapped is these rear quarters. Rear bumper, I did an extra deal here. I added a strip that folds into this crack as the engine deposits a little bit of oil right here so it doesn't stain the paint. I put about 3 layers of ceramic back there. It works really well. It keeps the paint from getting stained from the exhaust. And we put Lumar IRX on this car and Lumar Air 80 on the windshield. Ceramic coating, 5-year Fine Labs on the wheels. That's about it. Everything's good to go. Everything's wrapped in. Nothing is terminated before the edge. Everything is wrapped in every single edge on this car. Nothing. Everything got wrapped. So when this guy is driving, he's racing it on the track or whatever he's going to do, every single edge has a wrap in it. So it's fully covered. Everything looks great. And that's about it, folks. So 720S 2019, getting ready to roll out of here with a full Xpel Ultimate Plus wrap. Thanks for watching. Clearbrook, North Dallas, 214-414-3809 or clearbrooknorthdallas.com. Have a great day.